Hi, this is Mitch King with the Daily Stock Report for August 14th, 2008. This is the stock symbol for APII, Action Products. We talked about this a couple of reports ago. This was the bull short model, went to as high as 350. Yesterday and today it corrected down to $1.74, and that is about 100% profit potential between this price right here at $3.50 to $1.74. It's definitely over. That's the ideal situation where it corrects really hard, but usually they don't correct quite so fast. The only reason why I thought this one would correct pretty fast is because it's a low price stock, came from 50 cents all the way to $3.50, and a lot of these low price ones really correct hard because, you know, that's about a 7 times its original value, from 50 cents to $3.50. Let's take a look at AFAM. Corrected a couple days ago as low as 35.85 from 44. Rebounded yesterday and looks like we're starting to head down. Let's open that up a little bit. You can see that's starting to head down, and I'd say we're going to go under $35 in the next couple weeks, probably sooner. TACT looks like it's doing the same thing. If it rebounds up to, the key thing tomorrow is to look to see if it goes up above this price 2 days ago. And let's take a look at how much that was, as high as $13.75 right there. So if this starts to go up above $13.25 to $13.50 tomorrow, I would be a little more careful to see if it's going to continue to run before shorting it. But the odds are that this will drop as well. FSYS slowly starting to turn over. I'm seeing this thing at about $45, $46 in about a week or two, probably a little sooner than 2 weeks. Another stock we talked about was NPSP from the biotech sector. It hasn't gone up that much percentage-wise, from 5.50 to 7.25. It's making a new high today, so the idea is to stand aside and let it keep running. It's still a pretty low volume there. See this number of 321.9 or 321.9? That's 321,900 shares volume. It really hasn't had an increase in volume down here in a parabolic way, or an exponential increase in volume as well as the price. So this one could continue to run up. It's definitely not something that we want to try to buy long. It's definitely not my kind of approach to this. The odds are it could be against you either way if you're going long. This is a developing short. I'm just standing on the sidelines and letting it develop. Here's a stock that I might have talked about, TWP. It's a lumber and wood production company, or its the category is material and constructions right up here. You can see toward the top they got a description with the daily charts under Warden Brothers. This company offers the wood substitute for decking and railing systems. I believe it's a combination of a wood fiber plus some sort of epoxy resin, and we'll keep an eye on this one. This is the NASDAQ Composite, definitely strong. Looks like we might be having a little bit higher. What I want to show you here is how the fast moving average line here, which is a 5-day moving average, I've got it in blue so we can contrast it with the green bars on the price chart, as opposed to green, which I normally have on the other charts. You see how that's gone up above the slower moving, which is the red. That's the 15-day moving average, and it's getting steeper here. That's looking really strong. It looks like this could continue to hold for a little bit. That's a good-looking bullish run on that chart, and this is the NASDAQ Composite. Definitely stronger than what we've been seeing on the Dow. The Dow's a little more indecisive with all those financials. Here's another good-looking chart on the bullish run. First thing I want to show you here is clearly how it crossed below in all these 2 months, or about 6 weeks that this moving average has gone lower. The stock has clearly gone down, as well as the moving average is getting steeper and further away from that slower moving one, which is the reds. So the blue line is gotten steeper and faster, further away from that red line, and now it's crossed up at a little more gentle angle than we saw, and it looks like it's turning up. This isn't any type of recommendation. This is kind of a random stock that I pulled up for a type of chart to show you how to read these. So the NASDAQ composite stocks are clearly having a better bullish run, and this rebound could last, like I've been saying, it could last for 4, 5, 6 weeks, maybe even a couple months. It's just basically we'll keep trading what we see instead of trying to forecast out in a month or two what might or might not happen. We'll see you this weekend, and you have a good day.